I have what's going to be my primary router on the top of an entertainment center. I have Ethernet wire coming in that goes across the house through the attic to my cable modem to give signal to this, and then I have another Ethernet cable that goes all the way back to where that cable modem is, and there's a switch, and that switch can run Ethernet to a variety of the rooms in the house, but in particular it runs it over to the office where I'm going to have the second unit. So my two units are going to be connected with Ethernet. I also have a USB drive on here. It's a solid state drive, and I think it's 4 terabytes, and I'll use it connected in through here as a shared drive that I can back up files to. I also have a backup, by the way, that's a NAS that I built with a Raspberry Pi that runs somewhere else, so I have dual backups. And this is a single drive, the other one's a RAID system. So let's plug it in. I have it plugged in up here, but that light's not going to be visible, so I got a little to-go box, to-go container rather, and I'm just going to put it up here, give it some elevation, pull it out, and you can't really see it, what it is, but from down here I'll be able to see the light when it comes on. So we're going to wait until we see a blinking blue light. Okay, start the Deco app. Already have an ID. Let me log in. All right, yeah, I'll turn on fingerprint. Complete. I see the Deco's flashing a blue light. Let's begin. Turn on Wi-Fi. Grant local permission. Still blinking blue. Found it. Connect to it. Now I'm connected to it. Now I'm going to set it up. Create a network. I do have a modem. So I'm restarting the cable modem right here. It's a new Aris 2.5 gig cable modem. There's the switch I told you about. One wire goes over to the router, and then a return wire comes into the switch and feeds several other the Ethernets. I did restart it just now. Modem restarted. It's going to be in the living room. Internet type is dynamic IP. I don't have any specific MAC address to substitute for VLAN. Hit next. Let me make this my SSID for now. And a password. Save it. Now it's creating the network. It's setting that SSID and password over to the router. Then it's going to disconnect this phone. Now it's going to connect back to the router. That should be beaconing that SSID. And I see on the router it has a green light, solid green light. There's the main unit, solid green light. Now, yes, I'll save it to my phone. Sure. Oh, now it's connecting. Okay. Found it. Deco is now online. Party time. Place the other Deco units. Okay, next. Plug in all Deco units and they'll automatically join the network. Hit done. Okay. It's trying to sell me some stuff. Okay, it's up and running. You can see the living room. Let me go plug in the other unit. Got it plugged in. It'll go through this boot cycle and it should automatically add itself. Okay. Have some devices connecting. Those are all Ethernet devices except for this phone. That's why. I thought they were connecting to an SSID they don't know about. Oh, connected. There you go. Got it. Simple. Okay. So let's go into Wi-Fi settings and have it. Well, it's an advanced. Network optimization right here. And this is going to look around for other Wi-Fi signals. Most people, 99% people buy routers. They just plug them in. They don't realize that you can have channel interference and they're beaconing at the highest power. And so we really want to make sure, in this case, the Deco picks the channels that look the best with the least amount of interference. There we go. Okay. Now let's change the SSID to my real one. I can see all the clients coming online to my regular SSID. And looks like we're good to go. Let's do speed test. I have 1 gigabit download and 30 megabit upload internet with optimum. Let's see what this thing puts out as. Got really good speeds. That's the router doing a test. Let's see what it tests with my phone connected.